Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we go to American Airlines and you will enter. In this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.